Okay, I will give you to the control, so you can share your screen and show me what you people are done. Okay,
First, okay.
I first of all, uh, I'm giving control to the Anil. Yeah, Anil, please share your screen and show me what you done.
Yeah. నేను 2 డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను.
Okay,
ఒకటి ఒకటి రిక్రూటర్గా కంపెనీ అని,
okay,
ఈ- ఇది పొజిషన్ అని,
okay,
ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పొజిషన్ అని క్రియేట్ చేసిన.
okay,
లోగో ఇది పెట్టినాను ఏబిసిడి అని.
okay,
దీంట్లో లోపల దీని జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఒకటి పెట్టినాను. పే
Okay.
స్లిప్ మాక్సిమం పే మినిమం పే పెట్టినాను. ఓపెన్ డేట్స్ అది స్టేటస్ ఏముంది, ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ ఉందా లేదా అని అది చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, కానీ ఇంకొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది దీంట్లో. ఈడ చెక్ పిక్ యూజ్ చేయాలా,
Okay.
అది చేయలేదు.
Okay.
మళ్ళీ స్టేటస్ ఒకటి ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా అని
Mhm.
అది క్రియేట్ చేసిన.
Okay. Max pay అనేది ఏది తీసుకున్నాం? టైప్స్ ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్?
గోపాల్ నీ వాయిస్
ఇదవుతుందా, ఫ్లక్చువేట్ అవుతుంది, చాలా ఎక్కువ సౌండ్ వస్తున్నాయి.
వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించు.
now,
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే.
okay.
అవును.
సో ఇక్కడ మ్యాక్స్ పే వాల్యూ ఏం తీసుకున్నావు?
మ్యాక్స్ పే వాల్యూ 70 అని తీసుకున్నాను.
ఓకే, పిక్ లిస్ట్ వాల్యూ
ఇది 30 అని తీసుకున్నాను. మిన్ పే వాల్యూ.
ఓకే, ఓకే,
నేను ఇదొకటి దీంట్లో కొంచెం ఇది ఉంది, డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే,
మళ్ళీ ఇదొకటి ఇంకొకటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను, అడ్మిన్ ఇది కాలేజ్ది.
ఓకే,
ఇది కాలేజ్ది
Administration.
క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
ఓకే,
డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అని,
డిపార్ట్మెంట్, ఓకే, ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఓకే,
ఇది డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ పెట్టిన. దీంట్లో డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్, స్టాఫ్ నేమ్, స్టాఫ్, ఆಮೇಲೆ కాలేజ్ ఫీజు, ఫోన్ నంబరు. ఇది కొంచెం నాకు కొంచెం ఇది చేయలేను, ట్రై చేసినాను దీన్ని.
ఓకే,
ఇది మ్యాపింగ్ అని లొకేషన్, ఈ కాలేజ్ లొకేషన్ యాడ్ ఉంది అని చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, కానీ
Okay.
ఇది
ఓకే.
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. ఇది లాటిట్యూడ్ అని ఏమేమి చేస్తున్నాను దీన్ని.
Map means like if you open any one new tab, just go to new tab. Not here, in URL perspective. Just one tab.
ట్యాబా?
Tab.
ఓకే.
Okay.
Huh.
There you can search of India latitude and longitude. Just type India,
ఇండియా
longitude and latitude. Latitude and longitude. Select that one.
లాటిట్యూడ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్. ఓకే.
Yeah, select that one. You will get one ID. Take that.
Yeah.
First one, 20.595937 degrees. Yeah. Take one first one, and second one should be the longitude. First latitude. Yeah, take that one and paste it there. Second one, you can paste it there. Okay. Department name you can give. It's a mandatory field.
డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్
Give any name. Okay. So can you remove N and E in latitude and longitude? Remove N. Remove N. And below also E. E also you can remove. And just type save. Okay. Remove that degree as well. That 0. Just save. Yes. So that should be the exact value of that. That N and E by defaultly it will come. So we given as a India latitude and longitude values. Okay. So if you want to give your specific college address, then we need to find out that exact code name. I mean exact number and all. So then only we can allow that part.
ఓకే.
Okay. So this should be the they are using in most of in scientific reasons they are using. Like we need to find out that exact location means that pop-up will go that exact location. In Google Maps, we are going to type some any location, right? So if you want to go exact point location, we need to give this address. So we'll get that exact address.
Geolocation ది సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది.
Yeah, same. Geolocation is nothing but a same. Okay. So we have one more doubt, right? Some different. Which one?
ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఎడిట్ చేసేకపోతాను నేను.
Okay.
కాలేజ్ ఫీజ్ అది నేను డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఫీజ్ అని ఎడిట్ చేసేకపోతే పాపప్ వస్తుంది, ఇది నాకు ఇది వద్దు, నేను డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఫీజ్ అని పెట్టేకపోతున్నా.
ఓకే.
ఇది పాపప్ వస్తుంది నాకు.
అవును వస్తుంది అవును. సో అక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ దిస్ ఫీల్డ్ షుడ్ బి ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్, ఐ మీన్ previous name to department fees. So that should be the impact on existing functionality. If you okay, then okay. If you not, you can ignore that. Just click on okay. Okay, just remove that below name, field name. Just copy that and paste it. Just click on okay. You can paste it below name. So in between department and fees, we need to give one underscore, DEP underscore fees. Click OK. Just give one underscore. Save. Unable to access the developer name. It contains character that is not allowed the value exchange, maximum allowed length. Okay, so go back. So here you've given some data type as a currency, right? So change the data type value here. Change field.
ఎట్లా చేంజ్ చేయాలా అది నాకు కావాల్సింది.
ఏది
ఇది డేటా టైప్ నాకు కరెన్సీ వద్దు, వేరే.
Okay, change field type. We have option called change field type.
Change field type.
Yeah, okay. Click on that. So here we can change. If you want to go with description, then we can go with the text. Click on text. Yeah. So click on next. So you need to give some length exact, which I mean how much characters you need to enter. So 25 or 30 or 100, 200 something. Okay. Just click next and save. Save. Okay. So if you can check with that name has been changed, right?
అది యాడ్ చెక్ చేయాలి నేను, అది యాడ్ ఉందని డిపార్ట్మెంట్. ఈడ కాలేజ్ మళ్ళీ ఎడిట్ చేస్తే కూడా ఈడ కాలేజ్ ఫీజ్ అనే వస్తుంది నాకు.
అది ఎడిట్ చేసింది నాకు రాలేదు. ఈడ టెక్స్ట్ ఒకటే, డేటా టైప్ ఒకటే నాకు చేంజ్ అయింది, కానీ ఇది కాలేజ్ ఫీజ్ అని నాకు చేంజ్ అవ్వలేదు.
ఓకే, ఎడిట్ చేయి. కాలేజ్ ఫీజ్ ఎడిట్ చేయి, కాలేజ్ ఫీజ్ టైప్ చేయి. ఐ మీన్ దానిపైన క్లిక్ చేయి, ఎడిట్ చేయి. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎడిట్. అక్కడ చేంజ్ చేయి. జస్ట్ ఏదో ఒక నేమ్ లేబుల్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఫీజ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ సేవ్ చేయి. ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా? Parameters contains characters that not allow the value exceeds the characters from the okay characters from the reduce then. So earlier how much characters you given for that field? Go back. 25, right? So you can reduce that.
Okay,
16 or 3.
Just you can give as a 25 or 2. Just you can save. Usually we didn't get exactly that error actually. Save.
I clicked on save, but it's not saving.
Why? Yeah, hit one more time. It's not saving. Come down.
No.
Getting any error? No. Just refresh that page and come log in again. Just do it again. Meanwhile, I will check also here in my arc.
వార్నింగ్
Confirm.
వస్తుంది.
Confirm. Just click on confirm.
Yeah.
Again save. It's got changed, right? No.
లేదు మళ్ళీ చూడండి అది.
ఓన్లీ కాలేజ్ ఫీజెస్.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. I will check in my side. Okay, just click on edit. Hello. Just click on edit. Okay. Change that field name to some text, something.
ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్.
No, label name. Field label name is there, right? Just give any something. Just give some different name, not that name. Give it some different name.
ఓకే.
You can type as a department completely. Select that department. Okay, click on OK. Remove that space. Remove that and just copy paste that. Okay, come down. You can length here. We can change to 12 to 255 characters.
255.
Yeah, 255, 255.
Okay. Save.
Yes, then save. Right?
ఇప్పుడు చేంజ్.
Yeah. Why? Because earlier you given as a currency field, right? So after given currency field, you change the data type as a text.
Text.
So,
Okay.
Text. So that text should be the value of 255 characters. So we need to specify that exact length. So then only it will allow. So that's the reason you are not able to find out that exact name.
Okay.
Okay,
Length
what was
we
the
need to
another?
change a perfect one.
Correct.
Okay.
Exactly. If you want to change this field to, just click on edit. Again, just click on edit. So if you change the data type, change data type field, top. Yes.
Change field type.
So if you go to text area. So what was the characters there? 255, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Save. Just cross check.
255.
Okay. Okay. Just click on next. Yeah. Next and save.
Length they are not asking.
Yeah. So you change it, right? So earlier it should be the 255 characters. It should be the next allowed should be that more than 255 characters.
Yeah.
It will allow. So same way we need to check everything remaining data types as well. So you created as a max type, right? Some different data field.
Here I need to again I need to give the length for this one.
No need. By default it will take it for that. Why? Because text and text area, long text and long text area, it should be the same. But we need to consider as a length. So before that you change it as a currency, right? That should be the completely different data type.
Okay.
So that's the reason.
Okay.
Then just click on cancel. Okay. Anything. For you clear for these doubts and all this in department?
Yeah, I cleared. Yeah, this one
Okay.
I cleared.
So we have some one more doubt, right? You asking something, some different app.
This one.
No, you created two apps, right?
One
Go to
was
that
required
recruiting. Yes,
and
yes.
recruiter.
So click on that positions.
Here I need to know. Yeah, checkbox I given. I need to change this one also.
Okay.
Through data type, I need to change this one. Pick
Okay.
list I need to take.
Okay, you can change. Yeah, go to that fields.
New
Right
fields,
side.
right?
Yes. So go to that field, checkbox field, status, click on status. Below last one. Status.
Yeah, open date. Open date.
Open
I need
it.
to change.
Okay, okay.
No, not at status itself. Given. Okay, okay. Status
No,
I'll take.
status should be the some
Open
different
date.
text back. Open date only the checkbox.
This one I need to know. This one I need to display. For that, what the status is there for me? Is there opened or not? New position
Okay,
is
then you need to change to this data type to, I mean, text to pick list value. Just select field type, field, change that one, click on that.
Change filter.
So select pick list. So click on next. So there we can enter that values.
Okay, this one values. Right?
Yeah, just copy
Already
that.
I've entered. This I need to copy and I need to
Paste it
here.
there. Correct. Just paste it there. Okay. Next.
Here always value field in order to save the record.
So if you want
it is
required, then yeah, if you want required, then check that checkbox required.
Okay.
Yes.
Check.
Save. Okay. Now go to positions. Yeah, click on new. You can check status, right? So there we can see this is the pick list value. Okay. So next again go to pick list. I mean fields. Go to fields again. Click on new. Click on new.
Okay.
So select multi pick list value. Come down. Down. Yeah. Select multi pick list. Click on next. So give one name. Select multi like that. You can give any name. Okay. Take as the second option. Enter values. Yes. There you can copy that values previous you copied. Just paste it.
Yeah, new one. This one has a new one, right? That's why we don't have here for me to copy.
No. You can paste that. I will tell you. I will tell you difference between this both.
అది ఎట్లా కాపీ చేయాలనా ఇక్కడ లేదు కదా అది
No. ఇంతకుముందు కాపీ చేసావు కదా జస్ట్ పేస్ట్ చేయండి కంట్రోల్ వి
ఓకే
జస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్
ఇది రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆల్వేస్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇదే
if you want mandatory then you can check as a required. If you don't want mandatory just click on next. Next. Save.
Save.
Okay. Now we can go to positions again. Positions. Yeah, click on next. Yes. So you can see, observe the, you can see the difference between the pick list and multi pick list, multi select pick list. So we can select one status in one value above one. Yeah, you can select multi. You can select 3 or 4. You can select all as well. So multi pick list values means we need to select more than one. More than one value we can select in multi pick list values. So we can select as a status. In status field you can check. So select anyone. If you want to choose another one, it won't allow, right? Only one value we can see, right? Yeah. So pick list means we can allow only one value in drop down list. Coming to multi pick list, we can allow more than one. We can select 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. Okay,
Okay.
got it? Okay. So that's the
నా
difference.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొకటి నాకు ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నాకు డిలీట్ చేయాలి. ఎట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు?
ఎక్కడ డిలీట్ చేయాలి?
ఈ పొజిషన్ అనేది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిలీట్ చేయాలి నేను.
కంప్లీట్ గా డిలీట్ చేయాలా?
ఆ!
Okay, go to objects, right side. Click on view object. So you want to delete this object, right? Just click on the delete, edit to the next button. Yeah, click on the delete. Yes, delete. So we have records will be there, right? Dependents and class, custom objects.
ఇది రికార్డ్ కస్టమర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఇది రికార్డ్స్ కదా ఇది?
So we need to delete. We need to delete that related objects also. I mean, whatever related objects means records we have, right, for that object. So we need to delete that as well. Just click on the delete.
Delete object. Okay.
So you deleted already. No need to go again. So just setup. Click on setup. Just click on setup.
Okay. Again, I will able to create the new one. Okay.
Yeah, you need to create a new one. If you want to undelete that whatever you deleted object, we need to go with where we can go and check recycle bin.
Recycle
right?
bin. Where is that?
So just you click on home page. Here we can find out recycle bin.
ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను రీసైకిల్ బిన్.
Okay. In value side you can check with organization detail. In we have view, right? View my recycle bin. Just select and drop down. Yeah. No, right side, left side. View. Below to the search box below. Recycle bin option is there, right? In top, recycle bin top, home symbol, recycle bin. Below we have view, right? Select there. Just drop down. Check the drop down. No, drop down. Just click on the drop down.
Okay.
My
All
recycle bin.
recycle.
All recycle bin. All recycle bin and search. There is no document object right here.
No.
Just search. There is no object here. Okay. Maybe it's not stored in recycle bin. Just go to object list. That object has been deleted or not. Just go to setup. Just type in home page obj. Click on that below objects. You can see there. We need to delete that as well. Click on delete.
Delete
No.
object.
No, not delete. Here.
This one.
Right side. This one. Delete.
This one,
Delete.
other one, this one. Not
Which one?
this for position. This was only for training. I have created three more object.
Okay, 3 more objects. Okay, position has been deleted already. Okay, if you click on the deleted objects too, just click on the deleted objects. Yeah, you can see there here. Yeah. So if you want that undelete, just we can undelete.
Here, but you are told that in recycle bin we can able to find that.
Correct. Actually, whatever records or anything, it will go only recycle bin only. But still here objects we can see here. If you want to erase here, just click on erase. See here you can no. There we have one checkbox, right? Just click on that erase.
Okay.
See, yes, I want to permanently delete custom object. If you want to delete directly without the checkbox, that object should be there in recycle bin. If you want to yeah. So you
I'll
check
try
it as
this
a
one.
checkbox. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, click on the delete.
It's not taking.
It's not taking. Just click on that checkbox. Delete.
Then it will permanently delete.
Permanently deleted.
but we won't find in on recycle bin.
Recycle bin. Maybe records will get, not objects. Records will get.
Okay.
పైన చెక్ బాక్స్ కంటే పైన మెన్షన్ అయింది చూడదు. ఎరేజ్ కస్టమ్స్ కెనాట్ బి రిస్టోర్డ్ అని. ఈవెన్ చెక్ బాక్స్
Only records, some data jobs, something will get in recycle bin.
వేరే దాంట్లో అది డిలీటెడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ రావడం వల్ల అది రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వెళ్తున్నట్లు.
Just click on delete. It's loading. Yeah,
Yeah.
now it's deleted custom objects. So there is no objects there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now go to that different object, I mean different application you created.
Administration. Yeah.
So click on the department. So in administration app, we have only one object, right? Department.
I
So
need
you
to
have,
create.
okay,
more
you have to
objects.
create any, have you created any records for this object?
Records. That only I don't know how to do that one. Records.
Nothing, just we need to, you created one name here, right? Recent documents. Come down, recent departments. Just click on that new. Yes, we need to fill that all fields. Click on save. That should be the record.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
just do it right now. Okay.
Yeah, you can do.
Already I've done, I think so.
Yeah, you already created one record, right? Go to the department. Yes, just click
where
on the department.
Okay, department.
Department and click on that name
That's
below.
the record, right?
Yeah, this is one day record. So
Ah.
this should be the record. Okay.
Yeah.
Any doubts? Other doubts?
No.
No?
ఇదే డిలీటింగ్ దే కొంచెం అదే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది.
Okay.
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 అది కరెన్సీ మళ్ళీ అది దాన్ని ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేయాలా కొంచెం అది చెప్తారా? అది
ఏది?
ఇది డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ లో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో ఇంకా వేరే ఉంది.
ఫీల్డ్స్ వేరే ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు అన్ని ఫీల్డ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేదా?
నేను మాక్సిమం ఒక చేసినాను. టెక్స్ట్, పిక్ లిస్ట్, మళ్ళీ చెక్ బాక్స్ అన్ని చేసినాను. అదే మీకు చూపించినాను కదా ఇప్పుడు.
అవును. సో అందుకే మీకు అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తే మీకు డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి కొన్ని. ఇది ఎందుకు వాడతారు
ఇది డేట్స్, మళ్ళీ డేట్ టైం వాడలేదు, ఉత్త డేట్ వాడినాను.
ఓకే.
ఫోన్ నంబర్ వాడినాను, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి వాడినాను.
ఓకే.
మ్యాపింగ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ లాటిట్యూడ్ వాడినాను.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి ఫీల్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తామంటే గో టు ఫీల్డ్స్ అండ్ క్రియేట్ వన్ ఎన్క్రిప్టెడ్ ఫీల్డ్. క్లిక్ ఆన్ న్యూ. Come last option. Text encrypted is there, right?
Yeah.
Third
Text
one.
encrypted.
Yes. Select that one and next. Give one name, field name. Some ATM code, something anyone can give. Okay. Length should be you can give something. 12 or 16.
Length defaultly it will correct, no?
No. It won't get the default name. So we need to give.
I'll take 12.
Okay. So come down and mark as type. No. Mark as type. Checkbox. I mean drop down. Yeah. Select is a drop down. See, in coming to this this data type option. So whenever we are going to bank, so they will in bank side you will get one message, right? So in message they will mention your account number. So in account number first 4 digits and middle of the digit should be the into mark and last 3 digits should be visible, right? What I'm saying? So encrypted means encrypted means we need to hide some of the numbers in your ATM card, your bank account number, your PAN number, anything. So for that purpose they are going to use this field. Just mark as all characters, just or else we can take last 4 characters. Some we have options is there, right? Just select second option. Next select that mark character into or dot or something. Just select into. Like that example will get that below format. So if you changing into, it will go into mark. Just click on next. Next. Save. Okay, so now create one record. Just enter something. Okay, up to 12 is
Number,
okay. Okay, so you can give some data, I mean map, latitude and latitude details and save the record. No. Just you can enter name, number only.
okay.
Okay. Just type as a department name something. It's a mandatory field, right? Department name, top.
Okay.
Yeah, just
I'll
type,
click.
just save. See,
Here
there you can see only 4 digits number.
last 4 digits.
Okay, that's the purpose they are going to use encrypted field.
Okay.
Okay, go to again fields. Come down, click on that new one, come down. So you checked already checkbox, currency, date and time, email, locations, everything, right? Time and URL. If you want URL means you need to give specific URL on that. Just
Okay.
www.google.com or yahoo.com, something different.
I can copy from this URL.
Yeah, you
no?
can copy. No issues on that. Any URL, not only this URL, any URL. Okay. So coming to pick list
ఆ,
and
ఇది డేట్ అండ్ టైం కొంచెం చూద్దామా ఇది డేట్
Yeah.
అండ్ టైం మళ్ళీ
okay. Okay. Select on date and time and click on next. So that's the reason I told you yesterday we need to create all fields, then only we'll get to know the difference between the data types. Just-
రిమైనింగ్ టైం చూపిస్తాను మీటింగ్.
Just click on okay, paste it there. It will come automatically, no need. Okay, click on next. It will show date along with time.
Here is already field name joined to the department. Okay, I'll take that.
So you can give some different name.
టూ అని జాయినింగ్ డేట్.
Okay, next. Next. Just save. Yeah, go to departments. Just click on next. I mean, sorry, new. See, you can see date with a long time. Date time means date with a long time. You will get that. Just click on that below. I mean, beside that time and date. Yeah. So you will get date along with time. Okay. So which time you are going to save this record and which date? So date and time both are different. Date and time should be there. We'll get additionally time as well whenever you are going to select. Okay.
కరెన్సీ ఎప్పుడు వాడతారు వాళ్ళు కరెన్సీ
Okay. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, go to that fields and select one currency field.
ఇది కరెన్సీ ఇది
Yeah.
ఇది కాదు.
Currency. Yeah. Just click on next. Select one INR or USD something. Yeah, you can say type as select currency. Okay. Just click on next. So based on your org, so you will get that currency name here, currency code and all. So in your organization, you will using INR currency, so it will showing rupees. So if you're using USD, so it will show dollar symbol.
Here what need to type ma?
Yeah, you can type any 500 or 1000 something.
Okay, 500.
Just fill that remaining details. I mean mandatory details.
Mandatory okay చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay, save. Just save. See, here currency will come. Yeah. Why? Because this organization using USD currency. That's the reason.
Okay.
Okay. So
ఇప్పుడు INR మాకు ఇండియన్ కరెన్సీలో కావాలంటే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే చేసుకోవచ్చా దీంట్లో?
చేసుకోవచ్చు. అక్కడ మనకు కంపెనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లో మనకు డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఏది వాడాలని కరెన్సీ. సో అక్కడ మనం బేస్డ్ ఆన్ క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బట్టి మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
ఈడ చేంజ్ చేయలేమా అన్న?
లేదు, we can't change here directly. So in company information there only we can change currency or currency name.
Okay.
So here we can't change anything. Just we need to
Add
fill
a-
data here.
అదే ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుందా ఇట్లా
Option ఉంటుంది.
చేంజ్
Yes. Option ఉంటుంది. Yes. We
అది
need to
యాడ్
change.
ఆప్షన్ దొరుకుతుంది అది మాకే
Okay, click on setup.
ఆప్షన్ యాడ్ దొరుకుతుంది
Okay, click on setup. Just
Okay.
type on company information.
కంపెనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్
Just type company information. Yeah. So you can there select is a company information below.
Okay.
Come down. You can see anything here. All right.
నో
Can you go up? Go up. Go up. Just click on edit. Come down. So default currency local is there, right? English, USD, currency settings. There you can change which currency you want exactly. So if you want to go with INR, you can change INR. If you want to go USD, you can change USD. Whichever you want, based on the client requirement. Got it?
ఓకే ఓకే
So just save. By defaultly, we are using only USD currency. Go to departments again. Click on new. Just fill any name, something. No. Again, give currency something. Save. Right?
yeah
Got it?
yeah
Yeah. So there we can change everything in company information. So sometimes they are going to ask some, you can change the company logo as well and company name as well. There we can change in company information only based on the client requirements.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది డిపార్ట్మెంట్ రైమాక్ అని ఉంది కదా ఇది లోగో చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్లా చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా ఇదే ఎడిట్ అని కొట్టి
No. We can't change the department logo. If you want to change, go to tabs, just click on setup. In quick sign box, just type as a tab. Come down and click on the tabs. So here departments is there, right? Just click on edit. There we can change the logo, tab style.
Okay.
So if you want to change in some different building to some different logo, different tab, you can tag. Just you can check any tab style. Just click on save. You selected as a computer, right? Okay, now go to departments. Yeah, you got it. Just open that anyone record. Change it, right? That logo. That's the reason. Yes. Any other doubts?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No.
Yeah. Okay. Coming to you, Jagan. Can you share your screen? I will give host to you.
I can stop the screen.
Yeah, you can stop. Jagan, you can share. And give host to Jagannath. Anil, you are the host now. Just give to host to Jagan.
To disabled participants screen sharing.
I'm not finding.
No, you can check with participants option is there, right?